A few weeks ago, I made a video exposing a viral sound that millions of people claim was cursed.
Did you know that this 50-year-old song could actually be cursed?
I thought it was fake. I thought it was just another internet myth. So I debunked it publicly, and that's when things started getting strange. At first, nothing happened. Days passed. Everything seemed normal. I went back to work, editing videos, answering messages, living life like everyone else. But then, one night, while working alone in my room, I started hearing it.
Did you know that this 50-year-old song is actually demonic speed?
At first, I thought it was my imagination. Maybe I had watched too many videos. Maybe my brain was replaying it. But the sound wouldn't stop.
Did you know that this 50-year-old song is actually...
Who sent me do this thing where I do? Who sent me? I'm now regretting the whole thing that I did. Who sent me on debunking a song that I don't know where it come from? This is how I just ended up in this situation that I don't know who is going to save me from. How am I going to break out of this problem I created for myself? How will I save myself from this? Because I just debunked a song, just like that. Just like that.
Every time I tried to focus, it came back. I changed positions, or I adjusted my chair. I stood up, I sat down again. The room was silent, but somehow the sound was still there. I decided I need fresh air, so I got up and headed for the door. That's when I heard it, my name. Not loudly, not from...
Did you know that this 50-year-old song is actually demonic when you put it on 0.5 speed?
My entire body froze. I knew I was alone. At least I thought I was. But something made me turn around. Something made me go back into the room. I sat down again, trying to convince myself it was all in my head. But then I heard the sound one last time, clearer than ever before.
Did you know that this 50-year-old song is actually demonic?
Behind the chairs, under the table, near the window, nothing. No one was there, and somehow that made it worse.
Did you know that this 50-year-old song is actually demonic?
And that's when I stopped pretending everything was okay. I didn't investigate. I didn't stay. I ran. Maybe it was stress, maybe it was paranoia, or maybe some sounds should never be played in the first place.